If you have smaller flower pots or if you have a small garden that needs watered and you don't really necessarily need to take out the big garden hose, this right here could be what you're looking for. This is the MAYGROVE electric sprayer sent to me free of charge for this review. This is going to hold 2 liters of water. You're just going to fill it from the top here. For this, there are adjustable speeds. Your power button is going to be right here. And as you see, we do also have 2 different attachments that we're going to take a look at. So one click of the power button, it's going to turn on the sprayer. You're going to be able to see the speed indicator from the top of the sprayer. So this is low, medium, and then high. And as you see here, this nozzle right now is creating a mist, but this is adjustable. So what we're going to be able to do is twist the end of the nozzle, and it's going to turn it into a stream. So based on what type of water you're needing, you're going to be able to adjust that. So again, turn on the power button, and with this one, it's going to be the same with the stream. This one produces a more finer mist I've seen than with this one, but you're going to be able to adjust that as well. This one does go pretty much the same distance as this one, but what makes this one different is that this is going to be adjustable. So you're going to be able to turn this if you need to and just put it in any angle that you are needing. So really simple and straightforward little sprayer to use here. Like I said, it's going to be a lot more convenient than trying to lug around your garden hose, especially if you're just watering something small. So if you're looking for an electric sprayer, this one right here works out great. 2 different attachments for your needs. And I think that you're going to really like this electric sprayer if you do decide to purchase it.